searching for the right mold removal specialist, keep these important things in mind. If you found mold growing in your home or business, it's critical that you have that dangerous mold removed immediately. The right mold removal specialist is able to completely remove mold from a building, and most times it doesn't require dangerous chemicals. Your primary line of defense in the battle against dangerous mold is choosing a qualified mold removal specialist. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a professional mold removal specialist that's right for you. 1. Understand the methods used. Different companies use various mold remediation techniques. 2. Make sure precautions will be taken to contain mold spores during the removal process. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing a mold removal specialist. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.